all web talkers, not just IEG as he just shared. All web talkers are welcome here in this secured zone space. Ask away your questions. You have problems, you don't know what is web talk, come in. You want to ask about IEG, come in. You want to ask something else, come in. You're new to web talk. You know more about us, about web talk, and you want to share your experience, you're welcome to come. This is not just for us. This is something bigger than me and you guys. This marathon is just for new web talkers and all the world that are watching us on the 4 platforms to come and join for free. Get your benefits. You want to learn something. You want to try something new. You want to benefits for free. Come in. This is the right place for you.